How's it going? It's Carl here. Today we're going to be using Canva to improve our aesthetics in our Power BI. So with this particular video, we want to get our Power BI background to look something like this. So let's go ahead and get started by going straight into this video. So we're going to click on this, and this is going to give us a lot of these features on the side here where we can just kind of look at some of the samples. We got this welcome here, and I like this welcome. So we're going to come here and we're going to hit this one, and we're just going to change this up to data. All right, so now we have this, and it's just data analysis. The next thing we want to do with it is we just want to simply go to share. We want to go to download, and we don't want to pick MP4 video because Microsoft Power BI doesn't handle that. We want to hit GIF. So we want to convert this to a GIF file. We want to hit download. It's going to download. It's probably going to take a little while to download. And I just created more than 50 designs here, so I just got a badge. Be proud of that. I'm proud of that. So this is going to download, and then once this downloads, we're going to go right over to Power BI. And you see we didn't really have to do a whole lot to this, but feel free to do as many updates to this as you want. So that is finished downloading. So we'll just click here and let's go into Power BI. So we have a blank Power BI report view right here. So I'll just come here. First thing we want to do is go to Canvas background, and then we want to just browse, and we'll just go to my downloads, and this will be that one. We'll just open it up, and then we'll turn the transparency down because it's hidden behind that. And it can be super dark, or we can just kind of keep it light. It's really just up to you. You can change this here where you can fill it. You can change it where you can fit it, or you can just do normal and it'll expand it out. What I like to do is just I make sure it fit. And if you pick fit and you don't have the dimensions right, it will stretch your image. So now that we have this, let's go ahead and just add some data to this, make it make sense. So we'll just kind of leave it at that. And we can just bring this over a little bit. And without going into too many details, you kind of get the idea that you can go to Canva, create your background, then drop it into Power BI, build out your Power BI report. Now you have a visual dashboard with some motion in it. Before you go, if you're new to this channel, here's a chance for you to subscribe and make sure you smash that thumbs up. Once again, make sure you leave some comments down in the comment section. And if you want to check out some more videos that may help you learn on the go as you grow, you can do so right now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.